Are you ready to take the first step in becoming a homeowner, but want to make sure you don't overpay and regret your decision later? As the housing market corrects, many recent buyers are realizing they may have overpaid for their homes. During the height of the pandemic, many home buyers were caught up in bidding wars, waiving inspections, and stretching their budgets to the limit to secure the home of their dreams. Hi, I'm Kevin Mitchell, your Washington realtor with Fathom Realty. With price growth slowing and even falling in most markets, many of those homeowners are feeling the weight of their decisions. They believe they may have overpaid for their home. But there's good news. Here are the top 3 ways to make sure you don't overpay for your home in the future. Number 1, have the right people around you. And that's even including your real estate agent. And if you got an agent that's just concerned about their commission instead of your well-being, get rid of them. Number 2, do not buy on emotions. Set a budget and stick to it. Now, just because you're approved for $750,000 does not mean you have to buy a $750,000 house. Number 3, pay for the inspection. It's going to help you identify deal breakers, which are repairs you are not willing to do. And I got a bonus tip for you. Be patient. Take time to sleep on it because this is more than likely the largest investment you'll ever make. Now, I hope this was helpful. If you're in the market to buy a home, I would be honored to help you. In the meantime, check out my home buying webinar, Your First Home or Next Home, The Proven Path to Homeownership. I'll have the link in the description below. Until next time, peace.